Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Fem and I'm a Filipina living in Australia, sharing my experiences, tips, and lessons learned while living in this beautiful country. In today's video, we're diving into a really important topic, healthcare in Australia. I'll talk about Medicare, private health insurance, how it compares to the healthcare system in the Philippines, and the surprising costs you might encounter, especially with dental care. Trust me, there's so much to unpack, and if you're planning to move to Australia, this is a must watch. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I upload new content. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Alright, let's get started. Australia's public healthcare system is called Medicare. It's funded through taxes and provides free or subsidized healthcare for Australian residents. Medicare covers visits to public hospitals, GP consultations, and even some prescription medications. However, not everything is free. For example, dental care is not included. Medicare is a huge help, but there's a catch. Sometimes you'll face long wait times for non-urgent treatments, especially for surgeries or specialist appointments. That's where private health insurance comes into play, and I'll talk about that later in the video. If you're from the Philippines like me, you might be familiar with PhilHealth. It's our version of public health care. But let's be honest, it's quite limited. For example, PhilHealth only covers a small portion of hospitalization expenses. And for major procedures, you're often left with a big bill. In contrast, Australia's Medicare system provides a more comprehensive safety net, especially for emergency or life-threatening situations. However, private healthcare in the Philippines can be more affordable than in Australia if you're paying out of pocket. That's something I'll elaborate on in the dental care section. Here's something that shocked me when I first arrived in Australia. Healthcare can still be very expensive. Let's talk about dental care. Did you know that a single dental consultation costs around $100, depending on the clinic? That's just for a checkup. And when I got a quotation for a dental procedure, I was floored. Over $5,000. Needless to say, I didn't go through with it. Now, when I visit the Philippines, I make sure to get all my dental care done there. It's so much cheaper. My advice for anyone planning to move to Australia: make sure you've addressed your dental needs beforehand. Whether it's extractions, dentures, or regular cleaning, it'll save you a fortune. While Medicare is great for public hospital services, private health insurance gives you access to private hospitals and shorter waiting times for elective surgeries. It can also cover extras like dental, optical, and physiotherapy, which Medicare doesn't cover. It's not mandatory to have private health insurance, but it's something to consider if you want peace of mind and faster access to some medical services. Here's a fun fact that might surprise you. Ambulance services aren't free in most states in Australia. In emergencies, you could be billed hundreds of dollars just for the ride. Some private health insurance plans include ambulance cover, so it's worth checking if yours does. One of the best things about Medicare is that it covers most complicated operations for free. I have had friends who underwent life-saving surgeries that didn't cost them a cent. Back in the Philippines, a similar operation could cost millions of pesos. For example, my brother's operation in the Philippines cost nearly 1 million pesos. Imagine having that kind of operation here in Australia for free. Of course, you might need to wait in a queue, but the cost savings are incredible. So what are the takeaways here? First, understand how Medicare works and what it covers. Second, if you're planning to move to Australia, address any dental or medical needs beforehand to save on costs. Lastly, consider private health insurance for extra coverage and peace of mind. Healthcare here is amazing, but being prepared will make your transition smoother. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video gave you a clearer picture of what to expect with Australia's healthcare system and how to plan ahead. It's definitely one of those things that can be overwhelming at first, but trust me, once you know the system, it gets a lot easier. If you have any questions or there's a topic you'd like me to tackle in a future video, drop your thoughts in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you, and who knows, your suggestion might be the next video I make. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll know when my next video is up. Let's connect and learn together. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates. Mabuhay and maraming salamat.